Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to change your YouTube channel name. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select your channel. Tap the pencil icon next to your channel name and profile picture. Tap on the pencil icon next to your current channel name. Enter your new desired channel name. Once you've entered your new name, tap Save to confirm your changes. Your YouTube channel name has now been updated. It may take a few moments for the changes to reflect across the platform. And that's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel name on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.